Jet engine sneeze power. A single sneeze can shoot out of your nose at a mind-blowing speed of up to 100 miles per hour, faster than most cars on the highway. Imagine the sheer power behind that sudden burst of air, carrying thousands of tiny droplets that can travel up to 26 feet. This explosive force is your body's rapid response to clear irritants from your nasal passages, involving a complex chain reaction of muscle contractions and nerve signals. Next time you sneeze, think about the incredible speed and efficiency of your body's natural defense system. It's like having a built-in high-speed jet engine.